I am sitting in the truck waiting for Wyatt to be done with school. And I got Animal Crossing going on. There's Freya. There's my house. I don't know how to do this. I got my purple hair. Some purple flowers. I want to do a town tour of my Animal Crossing. If I could figure out how to set up the video and do it, I will. But we'll sit here. Am I even in view? I'm sorry if I'm not. I'm using Elijah's tripod thing because it's in the truck and I have no idea where mine is at. If I can figure out how to do it, I would probably have to do it at home. Like set up the tripod and my lovely DS and sit at the table or something like that and get it done. What is that? White pansy bag. Oh, I found that in. Okay. Anyways, I need to go get some weeds pulled. And I don't feel like doing it, so I will pay the bills. And do it. Oh, Leaf isn't there. He is somewhere else. Dang it, look at that. Leaf's not there. So he is probably sleeping somewhere in town. We'll do that one time. I guess one of these days we could go play Animal Crossing. I got about 20 minutes until Wyatt is done with school. I had to go to Walmart for Mom today to get some things that she needed, like cat food and coffee creamer and stuff like that. So, hey, Walt. I'm impressed to see you're surviving, Pockets. Let's talk. Redecorating. Deer scare, definitely. Same size. Okay. I guess we will find something. Roku Vanity. Oh, that's what I'm doing too. It's getting some stuff refurbished. So, sea snail, shell, crawfish. I'm at, the retail shop right there. This is my account, like the OG. I've had my account the longest. Elijah has his own thing, his own town. He has a character in mind, and that is pretty. Look at that. I had that refurbished to purple. So that is pretty. Stained glass lamp. I wonder if Walt would. No, I don't want to give that up. It's purple. My favorite color is purple. So, I have a project for you. Hi, Cyrus. All right. Got something good? Can I take a closer look? Sure. We are doing the Roku. Roku. ROCOCO. Rococo Vanity. Whatever. So, for 312 bells, you could have it refurbished. Body color. What do you suggest? You have Gothic Yellow, Gothic Black, and Gothic White. I always go with the Gothic Black because it ends up a little bit purple. So, yeah. So the boys had therapy this morning. It went well. I did get a little bit of time to myself, and then I had to go sit in on Elijah's appointment. Okay, so here is what the vanity currently looks like. So we're having it gothic stuff. Hello, Cookie. So much to choose from, it's hard to decide. Oh, that was quick. The merry-go-round, yes, definitely you should buy it. So, one of my favorite things to do is like completely empty out my pockets and go, somebody hacked their system, their town, and made it a, why are you backing up? And make it one of those, what is that? Towns where you go and get stuff. They had like every single item that you could ever imagine. Like everything here that you can possibly get. Like fish, flowers, bushes, trees, infinity fruit. They hacked their town to have the infinity fruit. The normal basket is selling those things. You could have 9 pieces of fruit per basket, and with the infinity fruit you could have an unlimited, and you can pull out an unlimited amount. And what I like to do is fill my pockets up with a basket of baskets of fruit and sell them. Like the perfect fruit, you get more. So that's how I paid off houses, like my house, Wyatt's house, both of my houses, because I have an account on Elijah's. I have a character on Elijah's house too. Elijah's card. So that's how I paid off houses. Going on raid towns, that's what it's called. So going on the raids is how I got a bunch of stuff. Even when I started Wyatt's earlier this year, I went on a raid, grabbed a few things, grabbed some infinity fruit baskets, and I think I may have gotten the bells too or something. I don't know. I am going to play it because I think I got it from yeah, got medicine. So we're gonna have to sit down and play together, you know. What I really want is oh, somebody is camping in my town. Look at that. Who is camping? I have a campsite. I have every single piece of every single fruit tree. That's a ducky. A birdie. Twiggy! I know it's kind of sunny. Decided to set up camp here, which is fine. So last minute, but totally glad I listened to that little voice inside of my head. Sometimes that little voice is right. So totally bored. Hey, let's play a game. It's called Fishing for Compliments. Okay. All you have to do is say something nice to me. Easy peasy. Okay, if you're good at flattering me, I'll let you buy a special item at a very reasonable price. Sounds fun. I like playing games. Your rules. 1 of 3 complimentary phrases. If you pick the one I secretly wanted to hear, I'll give you a great deal on a bonfire. Pick the wrong phrase, I'll jack out the price so quick your head will spin. Still want to play? Absolutely. Let's do it. Okay, round 1. How would you describe the awesomeness that is in me? That's how he's standing. Okay. So cute. Trendiest in town. The girl next door. Okay. Trendiest in town. Oh, right. Yay. Okay. I bet you would have said that even if you weren't playing a game. Boy, I feel so good about myself right now. This game is the best. Okay, Silver Tongue. Good mood now that I'll give it up for only 1,174 bells. Okay, whatever. I could turn around and sell it. Okay. Alright, so you should always be nice anyways, because you never know what somebody is going through. So there is another Dora. She thought I was ignoring her. I don't play as often as I used to. What can I do for you? What's up? Oh, sorry, decorating tips on there. Where is Walt? I think Walt was, where is Walt? Who is that? Bunny Ears Doc. Where have you been? I was worried about you. No, I wasn't avoiding you. Okay, where is Walt? I found Leaf. Do I have I'm gonna get you back. Alright, so present. I don't need the slingshot. I need the megaphone. You hold it and then you say the name. Okay, I need out. Walt? Okay, he's down here somewhere. It's an easy way to find somebody. There we go. Okay, let's try to give him the bonfire. To replace the deer scare. Too big. What? I don't know what sauce the deer scare is. Okay. Let's go see what's in my stash of stuff. Yep, that's Elijah's house. Elijah's house kind of looks like this. Has a purple roof. He decided that, because he found my DS. Okay, so I got this back in 2017 or 2018. And at the same time, I had gotten Elijah the same thing. I had gotten him a lot of the same same games, and I got him some different games. Harvest Clock. No. And he discovered my thing, my DS. Basket, harvester, sunflower. So he put his house, Lotus lamp, gold screen, candlestick. Oh, and I am going to put that right there, the medicine right there, bonfire. Where is my next? Okay, and then the sheets of paper. Actually, I need to put that right there. I don't know. Let's go through all the things. Oh, I got flowers. A bunch of flowers. Which I will put that one right there. I will give you a house tour. What is that? Milk wall lamps. Okay. Closet. A bunch of picks. Walt's pick. Tall cactus. Alright, nothing in there. I like the secret storage thing. It is so stained glass, stained castle, fireplace, festive, snow globe, nope. Bonfire. I already got a bonfire. Cabana stuff. Hot round cactus. I I don't know what to give him. Like jungle stuff. Coconut juice. Okay, so we will try the king. Table. Go up. Crystal lantern. Plastic sofa. And table. Well, exotic bench. I want the exotic stuff. Tea table. Blue certificate. Wood stand. Surfboard. Gracie shelf. Wouldn't mind getting some more Gracie stuff. Okay, next tab, because you get so much. I gotta go through all this stuff and see what I can sell. Alright, nothing in 2. In the red heart. Okay, that is. Okay. I will show you what the infinity stuff looks. Oh, wait. Fruit baskets, sunflower, vintage camera. He's not getting. Okay, so this right here is what the vintage or the infinity stuff looks like. It's just a basket with a 0 on it. I don't. Oh, what is that? Lantern. I don't know what to give him. So. Yeah, and you'll just pull fruit out and it never runs out. So, yeah. Walt? What you called? Where are you at? Dog. Walt? Okay. Getting closer. There we go. I like to make them mad every once in a while. Okay, let's try this, the king. Oh, totally what I needed. Okay, fantastic. I'll put this gift out as soon as I get home in a bit. Take it. What did you give me in return? Cement mixer. Okay, that is definitely going for. Alright. Definitely selling that. Putting it on. My fingers hurt. Putting it in the retail in one of these spaces right there. Well, I got 2 spaces open. Perfect. Okay. They're selling a carpet that I accidentally bought. Flea market space. So, yay. Alright, we are going to sell the bonfire. Because I think I already have one. 672. How much did I pay? 1145. Oh well. Oh, that thing is huge. Yeah, I definitely got that. If it sells, I'll put the money straight into your savings account. Okay. I think I already have it. So, anyways, alright, we're going to sell the cement mixer because I don't want it. For how much? 480. We will go with 963. Nope. 1,032 bells. Alright. Are we done? Nope. Alright, so I got about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna save and quit this. And then I might get it back on. Wait, hold on. How do I do that? Alright, yeah, I'm gonna save and quit and then get back on whenever I go pick up Elijah. Save and quit. Alright. I'll figure out how to do a tour of my town. So But anyways, thanks for kind of, please don't break. Thanks for kind of playing with me today, hanging with me while I sit and wait and ramble about this. So I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. So peace.